Hello. Today we're gonna make Christmas cookies. Yeah, I love Christmas. If you don't love Christmas, then you're invited to my house for Christmas because it's so much fun. And I feel like I want to make something nice for Christmas dinner this year because I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I can't cook or bake. Well, no, I can't. So it's September. It's 3 months until Christmas. That means I have 3 months to practice making something good. I've left it a bit too long. I could have started a few months ago and still would have managed to F it up for Christmas time. So, I did want to make something adventurous. I'm not very comfortable, sorry guys. I did want to make something adventurous, like, let's have a look, what did I want to make? Sparkling vanilla Christmas cookies, but I don't have any vanilla. Fig and honey Christmas cake, but I don't have any figs. You may be wondering,
why don't you just go to the shops and buy ingredients, you lazy bitch?
I'm so broke. I don't have the money to be shopping for ingredients right now. I'm just gonna see what I can find in the cupboards. So yeah, let's get started on this cooking video. Alright, I wanna do this. Oh, I'm so unhealthy. That was a bad idea, I'm so unfit. We need unsalted butter. I already know we don't have that. Okay, so I've googled unsalted butter substitutes and it says just to use normal butter. We don't use normal butter, we have this. I don't know why we eat like vegans because we're not. But it also says to use vegetable oil. This is not a good choice for baking. I don't think we have any other choice. We're gonna have to use vegetable oil. Okay, I'm just gonna get all the ingredients out and then tell you which ones I'm supposed to have and which ones I just have to make up. And we have rapeseed oil instead of vegetable oil, which is instead of unsalted butter. Caster sugar, 1 egg. Here we have an egg. Maybe we can still use that, it's okay. Vanilla extract, plain flour. It's in this bag because I think I make a mess. Silver balls and white sprinkles. We have gold balls and blue sprinklings. Sprinkles. Let's get started, friends. Heat the oven to 180. Fan. Doesn't do that. Line a baking sheet with baking parchment. Baking tray. Baking grease-proof paper. Okay, we're gonna line this with this. Done. That can go to the side for later. Oh, I just put it all up in the egg. Now we're gonna move to the next station. Come on, let's go. We need a bowl and butter. Yeah, but we're not using butter, we're using oil. Woo! Bowl, oil, I don't know how much. To be fair, it just looks like melted butter. I've just put the lights on and I'm holding the camera now so you can really get a good view on what I'm doing. We've got the oil, which is supposed to be the unsalted butter, and then we need the sugar. So, wait here. Okay, it says 200 grams of golden caster sugar. Hang on, this is not golden, this is white. Okay, we're gonna have to stick with the white. It's okay. There's 500 grams of this. This would be about 250, this would be about 200. Let's just go with it. We need to add the egg and vanilla, so I'm gonna need both of my hands for this one. And in the egg goes. Oh, I'm making so much mess. Sorry, Mom. We're trying not to waste any of the egg. You know, you gotta think of the chicken. Oopsie daisy. Okay, so we managed to get the majority of the egg in here actually, which is good. Lastly, we've got to add some vanilla. And then you've just got to beat it all together. So over to the next station. Now we have to whisk. That smells disgusting. You just have to mix all this goodness up until it's light and creamy. So let's do that. It's going everywhere. I want to go back to somewhere where I've already made mess. This doesn't look light and creamy. Did I do it right? I mean, I know I did. So I've tried to make it light and fluffy and it's not happening. It smells awful, but we're gonna carry on. We need to add the flour now. How much flour? 400 grams, that sounds like a lot. Well, I'll just do it until it looks like a lot. This just looks and smells so much better. I might just leave it like this. Okay, now we have to mix this all up. Okay, so I started mixing it all together and I've added my secret ingredient, which I can't tell you because it's very secret. It's just something that I put in everything that looks like it's going wrong. And it's starting to look a bit better. It's supposed to look like dough, I think, though. So maybe we need to add a bit more flour. Yeah, let's do that. It's becoming quite difficult to do with the whisk. Okay, come on. We can do this. Okay, I think we may have something. Okay, I'll explain why there's a massive pile of flour on there in a second, but it's kind of done and it doesn't look that bad. It says, roll the dough to about the thickness of a £1 coin on a lightly floured surface. Cut out snowflake shapes using the butter cutter. I need to find if we have any snowflake shapes because I don't think we do. Okay. Here's the deal. I have stars, but I don't have snowflakes. So if I just maybe cut out the star and then add some little bits, it might look like a snowflake. No way, I don't even know what snowflake looks like. So the reason why this pile of flour on the top is because there was only a little bit of flour left, so I just thought we should use it. And I need it to prepare the work surface. I'm so resourceful. Okay, so now we're gonna try and make the stars. Okay, I mean, I think they need to be a bit thicker. Come out! Okay, that looks good. And now we need to make it into a snowflake. That's fine, we can work with it. All right, now I'm gonna go put it on the tray. Oh, it's breaking. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to make some more of these and then I'll be back. Ah! Okay, they need to go in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, it says. I tried my best to make like snowflakey designs. Didn't go great. My battery's about to run out, so I'm gonna leave them in the oven, go charge my battery. And I'm really excited for you guys to see the shapes that I've come up with. Okay, so I think they're ready. They look great. Oh my God, I was just about to touch that with my bare hands. What is wrong with me? Now we're safe. What is that one? Okay, so this one's just covered in flour. None of them look good. That one is, none of them look good. I feel like this is the one that would be the least cooked. It just smells really disgusting. Okay. No, I'm sorry, but that's really disgusting. I was gonna do a few more batches, but... So, let's review. Not gonna lie, like going into this, I really wanted to try. Like, I was really looking forward to having some yummy treats. I mean, considering I didn't have the right ingredients, that didn't go that bad. If I had the right ingredients, I feel like that would have gone really well. So next time we're gonna try, maybe I'm gonna make something else Christmassy, because then imagine what I can produce come Christmas time. But yeah, I'm not even gonna bother with the icing because they're not edible. I still got a taste in my mouth. Even with vegetable oil, I don't think they would have tasted that bad, but I think it's because I used rapeseed oil. But anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe. I mean, this one's really... I'm gonna put a picture next to it of what I was going for. So let me know if you have any requests of what you want me to cook. Other than that, have a good night, evening, day, wherever you are. Hope you're eating well, hope you're feeling good. And yeah, I found this in my Minion pocket. How funny, because it's yellow as well. Subscribe.